Hello everybody. So it has been about 5 years since I last posted a video here. 5 years ago I decided I didn't want to post any longer on YouTube my tutorials just because it was a lot of work. I kind of got burnt out and there was a lot of comments just basically telling me I wasn't good at what I was doing, so it became a lot for me and I just decided not to post anymore. I'm here to update that I am not going to ever post again on here crochet videos because it is a lot of work and I just don't find it worth my time, to be honest. I'm going to leave my channel here for anybody to watch the videos as they please. I appreciate everyone who had subscribed to me. And if you're somebody who just likes to watch art, I do have a new channel that I am posting on where I show you my resin pours. So if you enjoy things like that, you can come on over and subscribe to that channel. I post once a week. You don't have to, of course. Again, I appreciate everyone who subscribed to this channel. I hope my videos were helpful to some of you. And if you do want to come check out my other channel, I will leave the link in the description box and a pinned comment. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you're having a good day. Thanks. Bye.